What is up, YouTube? Today I'll be doing an installation video on my car. I'm doing a rear diffuser, carbon fiber. I've been wanting this piece for quite some time. Just the price point never really sat right with me, but I said screw it. I think it was on special, so I went ahead and got it. It's a carbon fiber diffuser from ECS Tuning, and it's going to be going on my Audi B7. So let's get to it. I'll go ahead and I already unboxed the diffuser, but I'll show you guys it to see how it looks off the car, and we'll go from there. So here it is, you guys, the rear diffuser from ECS Tuning. Came in this, it was a pretty sized box, and it was actually packaged up really nice. Definitely love how it looks off the car. I just can't wait to get it on the car. I know they do make it in a quad tip on each side, and it should be around the same price point. The quality is definitely there. The weaves, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the carbon fiber weaves are definitely on point. This is the back side. So yeah, should look pretty dope. And here is my car. That's a stock diffuser. I went ahead and painted it black, gloss black, but I wanted something more aggressive. But yeah, let's get to it. Before I forget, you guys, before the install, I do want to hit it with some ceramic coating from CarPro. If you guys don't know about them, definitely check them out. Really good shit. I love it. I have it on my car. It's been on there for over a year and it's still kicking in. So for the added protection, before we get to the install, I'm going to coat it with some ceramic. Alright, YouTube, we're all good to go on the diffuser. Definitely love how it came out. ECS did a great job on the quality of this diffuser. Here it is, you guys, check it out. Installation was pretty simple. So on the installation, you had a screw right here, two screws right here, another screw back on this end, and the rest are just clips. It just pops right off. Definitely brings out the back end of the car a lot more. Makes it look a lot more aggressive. I love it. So that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.